Hi and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is John Obiambo, and in this channel the simple goal is to have fun with design and manufacturing. The Geneva wheel featured is a gear mechanism that translates continuous rotation into intermittent rotary motion. The old movie projectors are famous for the Geneva Mechanism sound. The mechanism is also used in most CNC machine tool chambers. There are a whole lot of other applications for this mechanism. The Geneva mechanism can also exist in different configurations depending on the engineering needs. The assembly mainly consists of the body, the driven wheel, driving wheels and bearings. The bushings and screws hold the components together. When creating the CAD models, ensure that the pen always clears the slot and also that there is sufficient clearance between the driving and the driven wheel. Make sure that your assembly can do this. I will share the DXS for those that are interested. Just send me a comment. The components are deliberately designed to be CNC machined in one setup as shown. This also means that you need to be thinking about your manufacturing process during your design phase. If you're going to use multiple setups or even a manual machine, pay attention to ensure that you do not deviate from your design intent. It is also a good idea to keep it simple so that the entire process only uses standard tooling.